So I want to take this opportunity again to welcome you all. If this is your first time coming across the channel, my name is Idrissa, and if you're a return viewer, well, you already know what we do, because in this channel all we do is show you places in Sierra Leone that you would love to see. As this channel has dedicated itself to ensure that places in Sierra Leone are recorded all the time. The goal is to ensure that we can trace back some of these places few years from now to see that how far we've come, what the progress we've made, or if nothing has changed at all. With that, I believe people that really want to make changes to this community, to Sierra Leone, who want to contribute in any way possible, can trace back and see that this is what have happened, this is what they hope to expect. And if you are someone that loves to see countries in Africa, Sierra Leone in particular, this channel is just a perfect channel for you to stop, because in this channel you get to see places in Sierra Leone that you have never heard about or you've never seen before. But through this channel you get to see them. Then I invite you to come along with me, because in this channel we get to places names that you hardly heard about, but in this channel our goal is to ensure that those places are recorded. Welcome back. My name is Idrissa, and in this channel all I do is show you places in Sierra Leone that you would love to see, whether from the city in the village, and that's as much as possible to bring you stories from people. If that sounds like a kind of thing, do hit the subscribe button and join the evergreen from the end to all my videos. You are really appreciated. Today we continue from our previous videos, and I think from this series of videos this will be the last. We are heading direct to Hastings Junction and a little bit down. And one thing I can say, whilst it's good to see, it's also frustrating to watch. I think there is a big company here. I guess these are some of the reasons why some people not allow us to visit certain places, because in as much as we record places for their true selves, this one is heartbreaking to see. Place too dusty. But I think things have been put in place to ensure that changes can be made. I believe for say in the next 3-4 years, this particular street, this particular community will just like this, no good this will be. My name is Idrissa. Thanks for watching, because I want you to watch, and I want to give you the real and unfiltered moment here in Sierra Leone. So I think you can support me in any way you possibly can by clicking the subscribe button, so that you can be the first of all people to be notified whenever I do up a new video. You can share so others can find this video. You can give me a hype so that this video can be recommended to more people. Comment so we can keep the conversation going, and any way you possibly can to contribute, to show love to the channel, I would really appreciate it. My name is Idrissa, a power boy from Sierra Leone, someone who loves doing what I love to do, and I just want to be your digital tour guide of Sierra Leone, so that we can discover Sierra Leone together, so we can make history together, we can document this beautiful country with its own stories and places to explore. Welcome back, and thanks for watching.
I said they come and they defeat them more, one by one.
Yeah, I drive over up na cashew farm.
I don't know if you grab it. Don't buy for me. Don't buy
Promotion today, the events are for 2,800. If they need to return support,
then if you like this, Lata after that is from adults.
Yeah, no,